Why does Instagram keep crashing and how to fix it? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how or why Instagram keeps crashing and how you can fix it. Now this usually happens if there is a glitch or a bug on the app, or if your app isn't updated to the latest version. So first, what you want to do is you want to head into your Play Store or App Store and search it for Instagram, and you want to make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If your app isn't updated, you'll get the update option instead of the open option that you can see on screen right now. So you want to simply tap on update and you want to update it. In case your app keeps crashing and there is no any update available, you might want to force update the application. Now in order to force update, you want to scroll down the notification bar, tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, scroll down all the way below until you find the option apps. Under apps, what you want to do is you want to search in for Instagram from the search panel. Once you search in for Instagram, scroll down and head into stories option. Under stories at the bottom, you'll see clear data option. Simply tap on clear data and you can see all of this applicant's data will be deleted. Simply tap on delete. This will basically reset your application, and once you do so, you want to head back to Play Store and search in for Instagram and make sure you update it to the latest version. This way you can fix if your Instagram app keeps crashing. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.